Bella kay Kim, she has been such a great source of laughter. Nagbahagi ng appreciation post si Bella Padilla para sa kanyang kaibigang aktres na si Kim Chu. Sa Instagram post ni Bella noong Miyerkules 3 ng Enero, sinabi niyang marami daw silang pagkakatulad ni Kim. For those who don't know, Kim and I are born a few days apart. And we're so alike in many, many ways. And since 2017, she has been such a great source of laughter and strength for me. Saad ni Bella, this trip was no exception. Thank you, Kimi, for making every small and big event the happiest ever. Dami nating natutunan this trip and lagi tayong tulog na tulog at the end of the day sa daming side quests, but I had the best time. Aniya. Dagdag pa ni Bella, manifesting a great 2024 for you, me and Mumsy at i-Angelica Heart #ang Becky. Nagkomento naman si Kim sa post ni Bella at tila naantig sa mensahe ng kaibigan. I love you to bits, Mumsy. Thanks for being the best. This trip nasubak ang friendship talaga. Hahaha, wait for my post. Sabi ni Kim. Matatanda ang lumipad papuntang Amerika si Kim at doon nga ay nagkasama sila ni Bella. Dumalo sila sa outdoor wedding ni Angelica Panganiban na kaibigan din nila.